Product Overview. SUNCOMM is the one beautiful and powerful 5Gbps gaming router, a high-performance, reliable, and secure router designed by Wi-Fi 6. It uses the latest IP 5018 chips, has excellent network performance, and strong signal coverage, can achieve high-speed internet connection. Product features one high-speed internet connection, use the latest IP 5018 chip to provide fast and stable internet connection. Strong signal coverage, provide a wide signal coverage for the outdoor environment, safe and reliable. The use of the latest security technology to ensure your network data security for durability in extreme environments. Carefully designed, easy installation and configuration, simple and easy user interface, and quick installation guide can quickly install and configure the router. Plug in the SIM card to use the network. The next thing to show you is the function of the router. The next thing to show you is the function of the router.
Click the like and follow us.